we got this brand new truck for our channel. You guys know what it is.
Whoa, dude. Is that Harvey Johnson?
This is TLJ Garage, and today we have a change of plans. So our original plan was to get the whole entire front end assembled. We have all the bracing and stuff there. We were gonna do it, and then we were like, if the fender is here, then we can't do the A-pillar. So instead, we're skipping that, saving it for another day. We're gonna do all the body work on this A-pillar and then prime it. And the reason for that is that it's starting to rust. So the previous owner, before we bought this, he did body work and he put all these body nails onto it to get the dents out. So now all we need to do is fix all those little bumps. So we're gonna use a grinder, grind it all down. We're gonna find where it's smooth, put body filler where it's not smooth, and then we're gonna sand it again and primer it. But first we will be taking some brake cleaning with this.
So right now we don't have a grinder, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run over to my neighbor's house because we know he has a grinder, but we just gotta figure out how to get into his garage. So we pulled up to his house and we're gonna go out to his shed. It's always locked, but I have a solution for that. So what we're gonna do is, since we don't have the key, because he always locks his stuff, we're gonna have to take out the boards to the fence, to the gate, basically unscrew the boards and then slide through. It looks like we have probably 5 minutes of time because no cars are in his driveway, so we should probably hurry, but hopefully he doesn't come home. Come on. Oh no, where it's at. I found the angle grinder. Let's check it out, make sure it's all in here before we dip out. I need to hurry though. Looks good?
Let's roll.
Let's go.
So now that we have the grinder, it's time to get this thing completely smooth, or as best as we can. I've never used a grinder on a car, so I'm actually really nervous right now, but we'll see how it goes.
Sorry guys, safety first. Now that we got one layer of Bondo on, we have to wait about 10 minutes and then we're gonna do a rough sand and smooth it out, and then we'll apply another layer. There you go. So we got the pillar all sanded down, and now we are going to put on the second coat of Bondo. right now we're on the second layer of Bondo, and we're currently waiting for it to dry up. But what it's doing right now is it's hardening and filling in all the low indents into the A-pillar, and it fills it in, hardens, and then we sand it out smooth. And then after we're all done, we're gonna do probably 2 or 3 coats, probably 3 because this is our second, and it's gonna look like we're gonna need a little bit more. And after that, we're gonna primer it so it can no longer rust, and then we'll go ahead and paint it correctly, and then install the windshield.
The reason that we're doing 2 coats is that we do one and then we sand it with really coarse sandpaper just to get like a general form, because we're filling all the high and low spots. And then the second layer of Bondo just kind of gets the scratches and some stuff that we missed. And then the third layer is just going to get the fine stuff. And then the fourth layer we have, glazing putty, which is like Bondo but a little bit different, and it's just going to go through and fill all the tiny scratches.
I don't know, you bought glazing putty.
I didn't. I think I have some left. Okay, so the truck is pulled in. We have all the body parts off. We just unbolted the bed. What we're gonna do is pull the bed back so we can bolt on the bed side, because one of the bed sides is damaged and then the other one's good. So we're gonna put on the old one, try to pull out the dent because we don't have a new part for it yet. We just want it to look better when we're driving it. And then we're just gonna throw on every single part that goes onto the back.
We are taking the Tacoma out for a quick ride down to the corner store to get some corn dogs.
On the main road for the first time.
On the main road for the very first time. We're going to get some corn dogs. We're going to get some new bolts to install the front stuff.
Oh, we forgot to check blinkers.
Everyone's looking at us really weird. Should I check the blinkers?
Well, the reason that we're wearing goggles is because we have to comply with the state law of that if you don't have a windshield, you have to have eye protection.
Yep.
So that's what we're doing. We're doing it right.
Yeah, we do it by the code. It's actually not that bad, guys. Don't need air conditioning. We have it, but we won't use it.
I think it's all right. And I don't usually talk about trucks when we're driving, but I like big winds, I like big tires, and I like to go fast. That's everything about this truck.
Juju, how do you feel about TLJ Garage?
TLJ Garage, rating 6 out of 10.
What? Unfortunately, I can't finish the Tacoma build with him, but there'll be lots more builds in the future. And I have to actually leave right now to go sell my other Saab. We sold the black one, and now I have to sell the blue one because I'm leaving tomorrow. So someone's on their way, and we'll be selling it. But yeah, buddy, good luck on the build.
Thanks, folks.
Good job, buddy. We gotta go. Cops are coming.
So there he is. That's a dummy that pulled us over.